everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over a step called running flaps. So if you haven't watched my previous video on how to do flaps, I would recommend going back and watching that one first if you're a beginner, and then coming back to this video to finish, because this is a more advanced or intermediate version of a regular flap. So a regular flap, they keep you more grounded. When you're doing them walking through, you're just going to go flap, flap, flap. Keep very grounded the floor. Okay, make sure you're keeping those heels up if you want to become more of an intermediate advanced or even an advanced beginner. Keep those heels off the floor. Okay, in tap we like to be very light and not too heavy with the heels down on the ground. So regular flaps, very grounded. Okay, when you do running flaps, you want to put a little bit more of a bounce. So make sure you're on the balls of your feet for sure on these. And you're going to put more of a bounce into them. So almost as if you're running, but you're doing a flap movement with your foot and you're getting that sound. So running flaps should look like this. I'm going to try to do them nice and slow, but it might not work out. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so again, nice bounce in the balls of your feet, bounce in your knees. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Same with the left side, it's the same deal. We're just alternating right to left. Let me show you the back view so you can see, and then the front view. So back view, 5, 6, 7, 8. And front view so you can see facing you. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. If you want to do a little bit faster, let's try it across the floor here a little bit. So faster would go 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Same from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, running flaps are just like flaps. Just put a nice bounce in them to make it look like you're running. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a particular step that you would like me to go over or break down, make sure to put that in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.